What's up, guys? So, every time that my mom asks Constance to empty the dishwasher, she bitches. So what we're gonna do is, we took all the racks out, so I'm gonna get in there, and when she comes down, I'm gonna blow this thing off, and I'm gonna scare the shit out of her. Now Mom's gonna go call her.
Who's gonna take the picture? I got a cool picture on it.
No, I'm gonna leave it right here. Wait, let me get in.
We're gonna turn off the lights.
No, you leave the lights on so you can see. Leave the lights on so you can see you're getting scared. Oh God. Make sure it doesn't turn on.
Constance! Come down here. I have to go out and get cold, but you need to get the dishwasher. Come down now.
Dishwasher! Oops, sorry.
Come here.
What the yes!
Oh my God, stop. Get your bag.